Hello everybody, this is Primo Salazar here and that's my success principle for today. And today I want to talk about the principle which says that the privilege of a lifetime is being who you are. It's been given to us that we got our own will, we got our own choice, we can set our own goals, we can set our own systems, we can do the things that we want, okay? We can direct ourselves, our life, in the way that gives us an opportunity to reap the greatest things that we have planned before, and now we are able to get them as a result of our hard work. And it's our option that we progress faster and faster, or that we stagnate a little bit and lay down, lay back, and enjoy too much. I mean, enjoy really, all right. I find the best enjoyment in the most productive things, okay? And I cannot afford myself to stagnate anymore and fall into the recession. So you are unique. You got the capability to be yourself. You got your own will. I hope that you have not wasted it, that you have opportunity to go to the next level, to the next step, and that you can make something amazing for yourself. All right? I want to wish you all the best, and I'll see you tomorrow in the success principle of the day video. See you soon. Bye bye.